Just do it. We're waiting. The world is waiting.
This is my virginity.
Come on, it's only a 380. It's a lady's pistol.
Fuck!
There's no kick.
Woo! In my ear. Oh, I don't got my plug in. Oh, this is badass, dude. I like that. This is sexy. I can't shoot it no more.
Finish it. That's it.
Oh, that's a real gun, man.
Next time I'll bring
Woo,
a
my
45.
ear is ringing. I only got one plug in.
Next time I'll bring a 45.
I lost my virginity to Pete. He's taking the virginity, he took her away from me. This is a 40. This is a 40. I'm losing double virginity. Oh shit. This one's heavier. Alright, I'll hold it tight. Holy mother of God! Take this away from me.
What?
Holy hell! Holy shit! That's bad.
There, keep that thing going.
That is mad bad, dude. Oh my God.
Smith & Wesson M&P 40. $550 new.
Dude. Woo! Man.
15.
High
15
point.
rounds in the clip.
God
Point
damn.
380.
Is that your 380?
5.380, 10-round clip.
All right, wait a second. I'm not in you yet. All right. You're clear. That's bad, dude.
No, bad is coming.
I know. We're just playing with the little toys.
Yeah, we're just playing with the little toys.
All right, recording now.
Mosin Nagant 9130, first firing, 1942 model. 7.62 by 54.
I'll take a cannon. Holy mother of God! Made me jump about a foot. I ain't shooting that one.
There,
Sorry.
get the video right here. There it is.
What's that? It's still smoking. I ain't shooting that one. I'll take the pistols. That thing's badass, dude. Where'd you get the sandbag from?
Why is this not going in?
Uh-oh. I'm filming the jam up here. It's going to be documented on YouTube. See, you got that jam problem I do. I'm still filming, so don't embarrass yourself.
I don't know.
There's a weak spring in the clip. Or while you fix that, I'm going to look
You
at
having trouble
seven.
loading it?
It's not taking them from the feed.
You got to put a slot in the back of it. When I get done shooting mine, I'll show you what I mean.
Seven knows.
Bob can modify it. Bob has been taught the way.
It's all right, I'll put one in
The
there.
way. Come here, Gene.
Look at seven. Low deck banana clip up.
No safety on the AK. Observe.
Oh shit! Is that? Woo! Easy. Wait, I gotta get the AK. You almost ready to
200
fire?
yard range where the steel plates are.
Wait. What was that?
The 200-yard range where the colored steel plates are.
All right, I'll get right behind you. Got you in there. Oh my God! Holy God! I can smell the powder.
Hey, did you hear it hit the plate?
You hear me hit the plate following you?
Yep. Hit the plate. This thing's a fucking cannon.
They're both can. Smell the powder? It's awesome, man.
Here.
Dude, you gotta try this.
I watched it.
Dude,
That's
that
the
thing's
second one
kicking
you
you
hit.
back, bro. It kicks him back.
Do me a favor. Put 5 rounds in my Mosin and sight it in for me, because you obviously know what the fuck you're doing there.
Oh, he
Here's
knows
another
these
clip.
Russian rifles.
I think there's like 8 or 10 in here. You can either use it in this gun or the AK. You can shoot either one you want. You want to shoot the AK now that you shot that one? Here, give me that one back. The AK's at 200. Wait. It's at 200.
Put 5 rounds in my Mosin and
There's 5 rounds in it.
Oh, not the
that thing
AK.
I like though.
I do too. That's my favorite.
Yugoslavian.
Thrasher.
That thing kicks like a Bronco, boy.
No, it don't kick at all. It makes all that noise though.
No, but dude, it jumped you back. I got videotape. You have to
noise.
watch it. There's
makes
Pete
noise.
shooting the AK. Yeah, you need that. Pete shooting the AK.
This thing's heavier.
It is. Nice.
Oh, light trigger.
Very light.
Got a real light trigger. It's a lot heavier than the other one though.
I can feel the percussion.
Which one do you like better?
I think the AK's nice,
I
man.
do too. It's funny, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks
That
good
AK's
too when it
cool.
shoots.
You know what? The plastic makes it light.
It's not really that
This
light.
one I like.
All right, here we go.
Oh, he's shooting the big bitch. I like that. That gun scares the hell out of me.
This is the one. It's like 2.5. We'll put it right about there.
See if you can get mine ringing.
Easy,
the bell.
Leisure.
Ring the bell. Ring the
It's a
bell.
big rifle, bro.
Ring the bell.
Don't be scared.
Went left,
Yeah, I shanked it.
but you were dead on otherwise. Oh man.
Was he close?
Yeah, he's real close. The other thing he needs to come down.
That's your gun, right?
Like right there, dude. You're hitting it.
I'm hitting the bottom of it. There's just so many holes in it, it's
Yeah,
not
I think
ringing.
it's going fucking through. I think it's fucking going through it.
I'm filming the targets. That was close. You're a little
No,
right.
that one's a fixed one I hit. That's why I shot at it. Here, let me put one more through it. Where'd I put that pack of your rounds?
You guys are fucking nuts, dude.
Can't come out here and shoot 22s forever.
I know. I shot a 40. I shot some big rifles. I'm not that much of a... You guys took my virginity away. I'm not a virgin.
And I hit the side of it. See, it's still moving.
Yep.
There's so many holes in it.
Yep.
It's on. It's just,
It's on.
you know, you just got to learn a little bit.
I like it.
We're going to start him out with the little one.
You're cool.
Just watch the screen. It's recording right
Okay.
now. This is totally hot, right?
It's ready to go, yes. All you got to do is,
Keep it against my shoulder.
yeah,
What do I need for the metal plates?
yeah.
Oh, God. This is going to suck. Will this hurt me?
Nah, oh,
Sling.
Oh, I'm done. Done. That's yours, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh man. Am I bleeding?
There you go.
Am I bleeding?
There.
Oh, fuck no. I'm
Here.
done. I'm done.
now what? Now get me shooting it once.
Woo! I mean, that's got rubber on the back, too.